state Republicans now moving forward on a bill to require local law enforcement to notify federal authorities of any person living in the state illegally who's in their custody accused of a felony crime.
Already, Democrats are pushing back on this proposal, with the governor today threatening to veto the bill should it land on his desk. Jason Zimmerman is hearing from both sides. He's live in the studio with a First Alert update. Jason.
Cami, the legislation also penalizes counties who don't comply with a 15% cut to their state aid and shared revenue the following year. In some cases, that's millions of dollars. Republican lawmakers gathering Tuesday morning at the Capitol to tout a bill they say is about public safety and reinforces President Trump's plan for mass deportations among those living in the country illegally.
And the way we're going to accomplish this is through requiring proof of legal presence for those being held in county jails on felony offenses. I want to stress the word felony offenses. For those being held in our jails on felony offenses.
U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement would be notified in the case of anyone who can't be identified as a legal resident. Sheriffs would be able to use their own judgment when dealing with those arrested for less serious crimes. We asked the governor about the bill at an event in Marinette.
They're part of our society. They're doing a lot of great work, and if we mess around with this and advance Donald Trump's stance, our economy in Wisconsin will go right down the tubes. Simple as that.
Definitely going to veto this, that's what you're saying.
Amen.
That response has some members of the GOP saying a veto would be a huge mistake politically.
I think it's unbelievably unfortunate, but not unexpected, that the governor would threaten to veto a bill that he hasn't even seen yet. It seems to be his MO, that he governs by veto.
We just have to be real careful that we're not, somebody that may have committed a heinous crime. Yes, put them in jail here, put them in jail wherever, but 99% of them are not in that category.
The ACLU also issuing a statement tonight saying in part, quote, this bill sends the wrong message. It sends the message that local law enforcement should take on the additional tasks and risks of immigration status investigations. It will encourage xenophobic sheriffs to investigate the status of not just persons accused of serious crimes, but of anyone who enters their custody, end quote. Right now, it's unclear how soon this bill could receive a vote in either the Assembly or the State Senate. Bill, back to you.